Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to see your FPS while you're gaming on your Windows PC. And this is by using Game Bar. And you can see in the top right, for some reason, my FPS isn't working right now, maybe because I got my recording software open. It says, launch Game Bar over a new game to get the FPS info. So what we could do is hit the Windows button plus G at the same time, and it will open up Game Bar. Or I'm just going to press the Windows button, and I can open up my Game Bar just by typing in Game Bar under search. So I have dual monitors, so I can just go to this and type in Game Bar, and you can open up. Now you have to open up on the specific screen that you're on, otherwise it's not going to work. But you can see it right here. So I'm just going to go back to my game and then hit Windows button G. It's a lot easier. And when you press this, you can see it's open now. You want to go to performances right here, performance. Then you go to the little setting option, and you want to go to FPS. Now I'm just running everything else on my CPU, GPU, and I can hit override transparency right here. And I believe I can make it a little bit smaller too, so I just see it. So drag it in the top right. That's probably a good spot for it. And I just had my FPS on there, and now it went away for some reason. So you can see it's not that easy to see anymore, and you can get rid of the other stuff on there, like the CPU and stuff too. So I'm going to hit this and then make it a little bit bigger. And then, make sure you hit this pin option too, so you can see that. I'm just going to turn off the transparency now. So let's get rid of VRAM. I already have GPU on there. So this is a good way to know also if your computer is maxing out. So I got my GPU is maxing out. So I know my CPU is not a bottleneck, and I know my RAM is not a bottleneck because I'm at 65. And there's my FPS. It just showed up for some reason for a little bit, and then it went away. So you can just look at this. Here it is, 40 FPS. So yeah, you can change your graphics and just look at this and see if you're getting a good FPS or not. I don't know why. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't for me. I think it's my recording software, but you can see my graphics was dipping down in the 30s. So just try this out. It'll probably work a lot better for you than me. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.